This is what the old bathroom looks like. The floor is just carpet, and for the new bathroom, the floor is going to be tiled. The tile for the walls will remain kind of the same, only just a little bit lower than what it is now. The radiator would move to the wall close to the entrance door, and then the toilet as well as the washing hand basin would move to the wall opposite the bath, and then would also get a cupboard just beside the toilet and a ceiling panel. This is the one of the bathroom renovation, and the whole place has been completely torn down. This video, I took it just a few hours, I think not more than 2 hours after I took the initial clip you saw where I was talking about what the old bathroom looked like. I took this video just around 2 hours after, which shows you how fast they worked to tear this down. As you can see, the wall that is around where the bath was has been stripped down to the concrete. The other parts of the bathroom hasn't been stripped down in that way. So the plan is that the parts that has been stripped down to concrete would be resheeted and then plastered, and the whole room will be made smooth for us to paint.
This is day 2 of our new bathroom.
The pipe that was here was over here for the toilet has been cut and repositioned because the toilet is going here, right?
Oh wow.
Yeah, because the toilet is going here and the cupboard is going, the tall cabinet is going over there.
Hey, is that where my mirror is going to be?
Yeah, that's where the mirror is going to be. So,
nice.
Because the mirror would have light, that's why it's got that on it.
That's pretty nice.
Marking. They've marked up here. Yeah.
Let's have a look inside my bathtub. Let's have a look inside my bathtub.
Okay. This bathtub is actually bigger. I feel like it's bigger than the one we had, isn't it?
True.
Because
it looks really good.
The other one stopped you see the marking?
Yeah.
The other one stopped here, I think. Because the tile, I'll go back and check the video. The tile was flush with the edge of the bathtub. But you see this one is slightly bigger.
Yeah.
I think it is. And it feels or looks wider, like you have more space.
I like this bit.
I also like the fact that the waist is click.
Oh, it's much easier than my old one. Because for my old one, I had to like plug it in and then it often got stuck inside. So that's more efficient.
Yeah, this seems a lot better. I love it. So the plan now is, so this is weekend, even it's day 2 of the work being done, but not like, day two like the next day. This was done on Friday, so but they don't work on weekends. The main plan on Monday is for the tiling to go in. As you can see, this has been bordered with waterproof panels or whatever it's called, ready for the tiling to go in. So that would go in, and the plan is to, I was thinking initially what was here, the tile stopped here like I said before, and it was flush with the bathtub, but seeing as this bathtub is longer, I think we'll just do the same thing. So the tile will kind of go up here to get flush with the to get flush with the bathtub. And I'm thinking we're going to do, I think according to the design, because we've got a 3D design we're following, but that would go all the way to the top, full tile, all the way full tile, the same thing here. Tile this one again to flush with that. And then the rest would be half tile, kind of like under, just a little bit above the window.
Kind of looks like the bathtub's floating.
It looks like it's floating.
Yeah, because like under there.
Where?
Like under there.
Oh yeah, I can see. But it's actually floating, to be honest. It's floating.
Oh my goodness.
You can see here.
Oh yeah, it kind of is floating.
So the thing
also
doesn't
not at the
actually
same
stand.
time.
It's not standing on the floor. It's amazing to see how these things are installed.
It's cool how it's not like falling over.
I know.
Although I do not remember my old bathtub being gray.
Oh, but I think so. I think it was. But remember, they're going to cover it.
Oh.
When they cover. So what we were seeing at the other bathtub that you said wasn't grey is the cover, and I can see the cover is downstairs with all the things that the materials that were delivered. The cover is downstairs. So, but it's amazing the way these things are done. So it's essentially you're standing on this. I can imagine this had to be seriously reinforced to make sure that when you stand on the bathtub it doesn't collapse. That'll be interesting.
Probably if you're super duper looper fat, then.
I find it really amazing, all this work. Honestly. Massive respect.
Must be hard work to do this.
Yeah, it is.
Almost every single day of the week.
It is. See, it's a lot of work. I won't lie. And for them to achieve all of this in one day.
So cool.
It's impressive.
I wish I could do this.
You like this kind of work? I do actually like this kind of work, but when I see how hard it is, I don't know if I'll survive.
I'll just put everything in one spot.
But I love it. I love work that you can see it's bare. You know, you watch and then you work on it and then it comes together and it's beautiful. I love that kind of work. Anyway, that's it for day 2. So this is down the 3rd day working on the bathroom, and let's see what we've got. The floorboard is on. You can see that, and the tiles around the bathtub has been placed. Oh, you can see that's all placed here. And then also this side and here, and then the floor as well. So he hasn't tiled all the floor, so we still have a bit to go here. And this side of the wall is not getting tiled. It's going to be the whole room, or the rest of the room where we don't have the tiles on, is going to be plastered. It's going to be skimmed and plastered, and we're going to paint it. And then this side, like I mentioned a couple of times, this side is definitely not getting tiled because this is where the furniture would be. But then we're going to have the backsplash here as well. So once this once the wall has been skimmed and plastered, we'll paint it, the furniture will go in, and then the backsplash would also go in. He's also created this space here because we're getting the mirror cabinet with light on, and possibly we should be able to charge our toothbrush in there. So that's why we've got that showing up here. The door here has been taken out. This is where the boiler, no, not the boiler, the water tank is. So the door has been taken out. You can see it in there. And I was told that there's this door as well, the entrance door, will be taken out as well, because the doors need to be trimmed down. Since we've got the tiles going on, the tiles, the door will be cut, or the door will get cut on the tiles. So that's why it needs to be taken out and trimmed. So yeah, still a bit to go. And that's where the radiator, the towel radiator, is going. So that's what we've got there. So it's definitely coming up. So the floor has completely been tiled. So that's what it's looking like. And then also the walls have been skimmed and plastered. And I'm just waiting for it to dry, and then I would paint it. So the walls, all the place looking like orange color just now, they're all going to be painted white. So this is already very neat job, I must say. The entrance door, as you can see, that was taken out. I think I showed this before. The door that is also in the boiler or water tank room is taken out as well. So they were sitting in the bath. Of course, there is a nice cloth in there to avoid scratching the bath. Yeah. But yeah, it's looking really nice, I must say, really nice. It's coming up just like the 3D, except even more beautiful. So this is, I think, the 4th day working on this bathroom. Today is Tuesday, yes. So tomorrow the walls will be painted, and then on Thursday, which would then be, I think, the 5th or the 6th day, I think everything should be done and concluded. So the toilets and all the furnitures, everything would go in. So this is the finished look. Okay, so I'll just take you around and then I'll talk you through what happened or what was done. So starting from here, the bath panel, we're actually supposed to have the reinforced sort of plastic bath panel, but the installer suggested that we should do the tiling because we had some tiles left over, and honestly this is so good, fantastic, we love it. And I really love the details of how they've matched that. They've really matched that to make sure it follows the same pattern as the floor. I'll talk through a couple of things which I've added here to make the bathroom look like home, or to make the bathroom to our taste. So I'll start first of all from this. So originally in the design, we only provided for a tissue holder and no hand towel, because as you can see we have the towel radiator here. But then I thought that it would be nice because the sink is over here, so it would be nice to have hand towel. And basically all it is you stick it to the wall, and it's really sticking. So I thought that goes with the theme of this room. So I really love that. And then because we painted the part of the walls that were not tiled, we painted it white, I knew I was going to have to decorate the space in order for it to also look lovely and then meet our taste. This I found on Amazon. Thought that's really lovely, especially because this bathroom is mainly used by our little daughter. I got this on Amazon as well. This one was from Amazon as well. It was specifically picked by our daughter. She loved the art. So this actually is a poster. It is a poster on its own, and then this and that one at the top is a magnetic poster hanger. So I just put it in here. You can open this up. You can open up this, put the poster, then clip it back, and it will magnet. And the same for the top. The rope that came with it was too short. I got this from some other thing I have in the room for my shoes. I took out the rope that was originally there, and the target was for it to match this. Moving on to this bit, I found this on Amazon as well. I love this. Of all the posters I've put in this place, or all the decorations, this is my favorite. I just thought we had to put this. Even when you open the door, it doesn't catch on it. Yeah. And then I added some plants. What's a room without a plant? I love especially if the room is sizable. Originally, I got this plant for this room, but then I thought that it looked quite small and didn't feel like it was balanced out. And then I saw this. I got this from where did I get this from? Yeah, I think I got this from Morrison's. And I went to Asda. I saw this plant. I thought it looked lovely, and then I brought it back. So my initial thought was to have this plant in the center, but then our daughter loved this and she didn't want to let go, so I decided to keep both of them for her. And then coming up here, This shower curtain was in our old bathroom, but then it was new, and I really love the colors. Our daughter loved the color. So the reason for having this, even though we have this screen, the bath screen, is because there was a time when our bathroom got our ensuite bathroom was not working properly. So we started using this. We started using the bath in here, and that was the old bathroom. So we started using the bath, and the old bathroom also had a similar bath screen. So we quickly realized that the screen is not enough to keep the water from pouring on the floor. So once an adult comes in here and bathe, you would have to really squeeze yourself tightly to not have anything splashing about. So that was when we got this shower curtain. But then like I said, the shower curtain is new, so I thought to bring it back as well, also because the color is lovely. I love the design. There's some lovely butterfly designs on it. So I brought it back, and our daughter, if it was up to her, she would have this room all in pink. In fact, that was what inspired the color of the tiles we picked for this room. She was looking for something that looked pinkish, but I thought to give her a bit of color, bring back the shower curtain, and then also have this really lovely colorful bath mat. I got this from Amazon as well. This is machine washable. I got this from B&M, as well as the reed diffuser. I got both of them from B&M, but they didn't come together. This separate and that separate. I thought this looks really lovely. I love having the dry sort of leaves. They are not real anyways. I'm sure you can tell that, but I love the look of that. I got a bin that kind of follows the theme of the room. The bean, as you can see, is a bit of creamish sort of color, and this one, we've always had this. We had it in the old bathroom. I just simply brought it back because it fits the color scheme. A couple of things I love about this room. Now we have a lot more storage, so we've got that, which is a lot of storage. I don't know if I showed it before, but the inside of this, you can see the inside is you've got glass shelves, which I thought are really lovely, and then this is normal, and it's the same for the bottom bit as well. I love this mirror. It lights up by touching under here. When you're having a bath, if this light is not on, you find that this whole the whole of the mirror is covered by the mist. But if it's on, then it goes away. But then it also doubles as, like, if it's dark and you don't want to turn on the main light, then if you turn this on, you can see quite well with it. Inside here as well, this is all glass shelves. So we can plug our electric toothbrush here and get it charged there. So really pleased with this room. The installers, they've done a good job, and they were really easy to work with, which is the most important thing. They were easy and pleasant to work with. So in all, the total cost to renovate this medium-sized bathroom was £7,751.04. And this is split as for the materials, which is every single material, but of course with the exception of the decorative materials, which I bought myself. The materials costed £3,683.40, and then the labor, which included every single labor that was done in this room, the labor costed £4,068. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.